Hello, you're welcome back. We're still treating indices. We have another question on the board. 10 raised power y. Solve for y in the equation. 10 raised power y times 5 raised power 2y minus 2 multiplied by 4 raised power y minus 1 equal to 1. Solution. Please, before I continue, I would like you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question in the process, you put it in the comment section so that I will see the question in my next video. Let's move on. We have 10 raised power y multiplied by 5 raised power 2 y minus 2 multiplied by 4 raised power 1 y minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we have to break this down to involve 2 and 5. That will be 2 times 5 raised power y multiplied by 5 raised power 2y minus 2 multiplied by, break this one down again, 2 raised power 2 bracket y minus 1 equal to 1. Then we move on by separating this, and this will give us 2 raised power y multiplied by 5 raised power y multiplied by 5 raised power 1 2y minus 2 multiplied by 2 raised power 1 2y minus 2. That is multiplying this and then separating all of them in order to bring like terms. We have 2 raised power y times 5 raised power y times 5 raised power 2y multiplied by 5 raised power minus 2. That is this. The whole of this is what I have explained here. Then multiplied by 2 raised power 2y multiplied by 2 raised power minus 2. So this one is the whole of this, while this is the whole of this, and then this is this, and so on. So we move on by collecting like terms. So from here we have 2 raised power y. Then we start looking for where we have another 2 raised power y. That is here, multiplied by 2 raised power 2y. Then pick 5y multiplied by 5 raised power y multiplied by 5 raised power 2y Then we move on by collecting ordinary numbers, and that is multiplied by, we pick this one and this, 5 raised power minus 2 multiplied by 2 raised power minus 2. So I think we have brought in everything here. Now we move on by simplifying. We have this and this, then this and this, and then this and this. So let's move on. Now that will give us 2 raised power y plus 2y, and that is this and this, adding them from laws of indices, multiplied by 5 raised power y plus 2y. Then moving on, we have multiplied by 5 Okay, let's write it well. Multiplied by 5 raised power minus 2, that is this, multiplied by 2 raised power minus 3. Okay, moving on again. Remember that this plus this is 3, this plus this is also 3. So that will be 2 raised power 3y multiplied by 5 raised power 3y multiplied by, please, I think I've been missing something. Always put equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 1. So moving on, we have this, we have this, then the other one multiplied by 5 raised power minus 2 times 2 raised power minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so moving on, we have this can be written as 10, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 raised power 3y multiplied by 10 raised power minus 2, that is this 2. Let me correct something. Okay, that is this, and this will give us 10 raised power minus, sorry, 10 raised power minus 10 raised power 10 raised power y. 10 raised power y, while the other one is 10 raised power minus 2. Because it's the same thing as 2 times 5 raised to this the same power. And that means this is equal to 1. This is 3y, sorry. Okay. Now, to continue, we have this is the same thing as 10 raised power 3y all over 10 raised power 2. Because 10 raised power minus 2 is the same thing as 1 over 10 raised power. That is, from indices, 10 raised power minus 2 is the same thing as 1 over 10 squared, which is 1 over 100. So take note of that. And then that means this is equal to 1. Well, we can cross multiply. And if we cross multiply, we can come back here to continue. Okay. So coming back, we have 10 raised power 3y is equal to 10 raised power 2. That is cross multiplying, because this one means over 1. And in that case, since they have the same base, we equate the powers. Therefore, 3y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 over 3. Yes, 2 over 3. So it means that our final answer is y equal to 2 over 3. So this is the value of y. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, put it in the comment section so that I'll look at it and give the solution in my next video. Thank you.